everyone, welcome to my second giveaway and this new video. This video is concentrated mostly towards absolute beginners in acrylic painting. But maybe if you're not an absolute beginner in acrylic painting, even then you can certainly sit here and enjoy the making of this toucan bird and even try it at home if you want. In case you try my tutorials paintings at home, please share with me your works on my Facebook page. I would love to see your take on my work and I promise to give you feedback as much as possible. And for the giveaway, what you're going to win today and what are the rules, etc. Everything else you'll get to know further in the video. So let's get started. In this video, we are going to learn how to draw a toucan bird and how to paint it in two different ways. To draw the toucan bird, we will first divide the bird in simple geometric shapes as you can see as I'm doing over here. Next, slowly start adding the details of the body. After we are done drawing the bird, rub off all the reference geometric shapes that we had created earlier. And voila! The drawing of the toucan bird is ready. Now that we are done with the drawing, let's jump on towards the painting part. Over here, I am mixing a little bit of green with just a drop of water and applying wherever I desire on the bird. Similarly, I will be painting other colors too, mixing with water and applying plainly on the bird wherever I desire using just number 6 round brush in synthetic hair in some places and number 4 flat brush in synthetic hair as well in some other places, as you can see. I am painting the background green again with just number 8 flat brush in synthetic hair using acrylic paint and water. And here we go, the painting is ready, or at least the first part of the painting. You can either frame it or just keep it like this as you prefer. For the next part of this painting, before I show you the next part of the painting, for today's giveaway, you can win this beautiful sketch of sketch pens. All you have to do is like this video, subscribe to my channel and share this video on your Facebook. Don't forget to let me know in the comments below that you have shared and which part of the painting was your favorite, the first or the second part of the bird. So now let's get started with the second part. For the second part, I take white paint and number 4 round brush in synthetic hair and fill and decorate the bird with beautiful doodles. I absolutely loved this process and I hope you will enjoy painting it too. I want to say this again. If you happen to try this bird or any of my other paintings, feel free to share them with me on my Facebook, Twitter or Instagram or just wherever you like with #ARTYSHILS. Thank you so much for watching my videos and all the best for the giveaway. below to watch my previous 2 videos and find me on all social networking sites for all the more fun and creativity. Love you all so much. Bye.